In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule messages in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's jump right in. Scheduling messages in Slack can be a real game changer for managing your communication, especially if you want to send reminders or updates at specific times without being online. So let's get started. First things first, we need to open the Workflow Builder. On your Slack desktop application, look over to the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see a plus sign, or A+ icon. Go ahead and click on that. A menu will pop up, and from there select the option that says Workflow. This is the basis of our scheduling process. Once you're in the Workflow Builder, it's time to set the time trigger for your scheduled message. For this, you'll choose On a Schedule as your trigger. You'll be able to select the exact date and time of day you'd like your message to be sent. Slack also lets you customize the frequency of the message, so you could choose to send a one-time message, or if you want to keep reminding your team, you can pick daily, weekly, or even create a custom repeating schedule. Take a moment to set this up according to your needs. Now on to the next step, adding the message action. Click to add an action to your workflow. You'll be navigating through several options, but what you want to find is the Messages category. In this category, select Send a Message. This tells Slack that it's time for us to customize what we want to say. At this point, you'll need to choose the destination of your message. This step is simple yet important. You can select where the message will go, whether it's a public channel, a private channel you belong to, or a direct message to someone. Make sure you select the right recipient so your message goes exactly where it needs to be. Next, it's time to compose your message. There's a text box where you can type your message freely, and here's where you can get creative. You can include links to important resources, write out brief checklists for your team, or even sprinkle in some emojis to add a little personality to your message. Craft this message thoughtfully because it's going to be sent automatically by Slack. After you've composed the message, do a quick review. Make sure to double-check the message content, the recipient, and the scheduled time. Once everything looks good and you're satisfied with the settings, click the Save button. And just like that, Slack will take over. It will automatically build and handle the delivery of your message right at the designated time. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily schedule messages in Slack, ensuring your team stays informed and on track, even when you're busy or away. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tips like this one.